Hi friends, Kurumzari. Today I will be showing you how to make crispy ladyfinger fry, which is popularly known as Kurkuri Bhindi. I am sure you will love this vegetable loaded crunchy bites. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, comment and share. So without any further delay, let's begin. For this recipe, I will be taking 400 gram ladyfinger. I have washed and wiped them dry with a clean towel to let it dry completely a few minutes back. Let's start chopping by trimming the ends of the okra. If it is long and slender like this, cut it into half the length and slice it lengthwise into thin stripes. If the bhindi is mature with many big seeds, I would suggest you to remove the seeds along with the middle white portion, as they are likely to fall off while frying and create a mess. So removing them will be a better idea. For a smaller ladyfinger like this, you don't need to either cut them off into half or remove the seeds. Simply slicing them into 4 stripes after trimming its tip will be just fine. Chopping is done now. Let's move to our second step. To these chopped ladyfinger slices, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon each of cumin powder and coriander powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon crushed black pepper, half teaspoon carom seeds, salt to taste, and mix it nice and proper. We have to make sure each and every pieces are coated with the masala mix. After it has been coated well, let's add a little moisture. I'm not going to use water here, rather I will be squeezing a medium-sized lemon. Let the juice wet the pieces properly and continue mixing. After it has been mixed well, I'm gonna keep it aside for a while. Now in a separate bowl, I'm gonna take 4 tablespoons besan or gram flour and 2 tablespoons corn flour and mix it well. I would suggest you to mix it beforehand rather than adding it directly to the slices to get an uniform besan corn flour mix. Now I'm gonna transfer half of this mix to the other bowl containing okra slices and mix together. I'll be using a fork for all the mixing purposes for my convenience. Otherwise, you can also use hand for mixing. Toss it whenever required for better mixing. The first layer coating has been done. Now I'll be adding the remaining besan corn flour mix to it for the second layer coating. We have to make sure each and every slices of ladyfingers are coated nicely with the dry mix. The second coating has been done as well. Now we are moving to the next step of frying. Now let's heat up the cooking oil. Once it starts giving out the smoke, I will be setting the gas at medium flame and begin to fry the bhindi slices in parts, that is 1/3 portion at a time. Let it remain undisturbed for a while before we start stirring and flipping it over. For most of the deep frying purposes, I would prefer to use this thick bottom cast iron karhai because it retains heat for a longer period of time, hence easily controllable. Trust me, it will never fail you to deliver a good result. As you can see, the besan coating has now turned into golden color. Time to scoop it out from the oil. Let's drain the oil and transfer it to a bowl. Let me check the crispiness. As you can hear, the sound says it all. Now I will be continuing the same process with the remaining bhindi slices. One very important tip I would like to suggest is, while frying, always maintain the temperature of oil at medium to medium high. This way you will get the most crispy bites. So friends, what are you waiting for? Please go for it, as ladyfingers are readily available in the market throughout the season. I hope you will try making this recipe and enjoy it as tea time snack starter or a side dish. That's all for today. Keep watching and stay connected. Thanks for supporting me. See you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.